just keep them lifted up in prayer.
Family members are mourning the loss of a 17-year-old boy whose body was found at a South Georgia high school. Good evening, I'm Mika Heisler. Thanks for watching WTXL, ABC 27 News at 11. Investigators say preliminary autopsy results show Lowndes High School student Kendrick Johnson had no visible injuries to his body, and at this point they are still ruling out foul play. WTXL's Jade Bilexa joins us now live in the newsroom. Jade, what do investigators think happened here?
Mika, Lowndes County investigators say there were no signs of a struggle taking place. They say Kendrick Johnson got stuck in a mat at the school's old gym and couldn't get out. Family members say Kendrick Johnson's bright future was cut too short.
He was a promising football player. Had he made it through high school, I'm quite sure somebody, Florida State or somebody, would have picked him up. Investigators
say on Thursday, Johnson didn't show up to his fourth period class. Later that night, family members reported him missing. Friday morning, he was found dead inside a rolled up gym mat.
These mats, to describe them just a little bit, they're actually very large floor mats, but when you roll them up, of course, it creates a circle and leaves a opening in the middle that's approximately 2 foot wide.
Investigators say it appears Johnson was on top of mats that were standing upright when he possibly fell or reached inside the hole of the mat to get a shoe and got stuck.
From the evidence that we found, that this is not a murder. It appears just to be a terrible, terrible tragedy that resulted in a young man losing his life.
How can you fall over in a wrapped up mat?
Kenneth Johnson, Kendrick's father, thinks someone killed him.
Whoever done this to my son be punished.
Kenneth Johnson says he was close to his son. He says the last thing they talked about was a trip they were planning to Las Vegas.
All of his nice smiles and funny jokes are gone.
Still overcome with grief and anger, these distraught family members are now asking the community for prayers and support. And investigators say it could take about 30 days at least until the cause of Kendrick Johnson's death is determined. In the newsroom, Jade Bilexa, WTXL ABC 27, dedicated to you.